Hello everyone, welcome back. Network Exploit here. Today we will be talking about the features and about the layer 3 switches and the router and the features on the basis of basis layer 3 routing, traffic management and advanced layer 3 routing, forwarding, performance and the quality of service features. And these are the features and we will be separating layer 3 switches and the router on the basis of these features. Let's get started guys. And the first of the features are basic L3 routing, and here is a L3 switch and router, and both of the router and switches L3 switches are worked on the layer 3 of the OSI model, which is a network layer, and they deal with the packets. And so basic L3 routing will be done by the both L3 switches and the router. So I'll be included here as yes, if they functions well in the on the basis of L3 routing. Okay. As and the second feature is traffic management. L3 switches, does it include the features on the traffic management or not, or router include traffic management or not? That's the question. What do you think guys? L3 switches does on the management of traffic management, or router does the traffic management, or the both of the switches and the router does the traffic management? What do you think guys? Just guess it guys. I think, what do you think? And here we have the answer that L3 switches and the router both does the traffic management. Both have the features of having managing the traffic. So we here I guess for the advanced L3 routing, does the L3 switches do the advanced L3 routing, or the router the only one who will do the advanced L3 routing? What do you think guys? Router and L3 switches or the router who will do the advanced L3 routing, or both will do the L3 routing? What do you think guys? Just think about it, and I will be giving you the answer. And L3 switches do not do the advanced routing, L3 routing. So here is the only router which will do the advanced L3 routing. So here I will include L3 switches do not do the advanced L3 routing, and the router does the advanced L3 routing. Okay. Yes, here. And what about the second features, guys? Do you think that the L3 switches and the router does both have the features of forwarding or not? Or the L3 switches have forwarding features, or the router have forwarding features, or the both L3 switches and the router have forwarding features? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Think about it. Think about it. And forwarding is on the basis of uh, ICS in the L3 switches, and ASICS is stand for application specific integrated circuits. Okay, it's basis on the ASICS L3 switches. That means layer 3 switches does forwarding on the basis of ASICS, which is also known as application specific integrated circuit. Okay, and what about the router? A router does the forwarding on the basis of, what do you think, guys? Do the forwarding on the basis of iOS based. Okay. And what about the performance? Who will do the best performance? Which will have the performance features? That means L3 switches have the performance better, or the router have the both have the performance better, or the both L3 switches or the router have the both performance. The comparison of L3 switches and the router. What do you think, guys? L3 switches have the performance in the comparison of router. Okay, these have high performance, and the router have the performance. And the last one is what quality of services features. And router L3 switches are the router, which of one of them have the quality of service features, or both L3 switches or the router have the both features about the quality of services? What do you think, guys? And here is answer is L3 switches do not possess the quality of features, as we include the no, and the router have the quality of services features, which provide the services and the packet delivery to the another network. Here I will be including it. Next, we have completed that the comparison between the L3 switch and the router on the basis of features. And the basis of features are on the basis of L3 routing, traffic management, advanced L3 routing, forwarding, performance, and the quality of service features. As you can see on my screen, I have separate L3 switches on the router on the basis of the below given features, and you can separate the L3 switches and the router. And this is the very important this is a very important topic, guys. You have to separate the L3 switches and the router, and the difference between the L3 switches and the router, and what are the similarities between the L3 switches and the routers, guys. So this is the video about the comparison between the L3 switches and the router on the basis of features which I have explained, which I have shown to you guys. So hope you guys have understand the features and the difference between about the L3 switches and the router. So guys, that's for today's video. So guys, I will see you in the next lecture or the next video. We'll be preparing about on the same topic related to the networking. So guys, see you in the next video. Have a good time and enjoy a lot. And one thing I would like to include with that, if you find this video if you find this video informative, guys, please let me know in the comments, so it will be very fruitful to us. Or if you have any feedback or the suggestion on this video, on this topic, you want to give it to me, so you can reach me on the social media or on the YouTube comment section. You can comment your suggestion or the query, so I'll be improving in the next video. Okay, so guys, enjoy, have a lot of fun. So see you in the next video.